Oh my goodness, look what Eric got.
Good.
Look, he got this for you. That one's from Eric.
Oh, it's got cars in it.
Oh my goodness.
You gave me this.
Eric
Uncle Eric did.
Go give him a hug. Go give him a hug.
Go give him a hug for it.
Give him a hug.
Get a big.
Yeah, go give him a hug.
Here
Yeah.
he comes. Look at him. Oh my goodness, I'll get him. I get a big one for this. Oh no. Oh no. All right, that's
it. Didn't want to overdo it.
That's right. You don't want to overdo those.
What's the next deal?
Show me.
Okay.
Hold it up here.
All right,
Let's
is
see
there
it.
any behind the...
Look at that. Look.
No? Okay.
Show me. What is it?
What is that?
Oh my goodness.
It's a shred.
See all the cars in there, Ethan?
Oh my.
Now Mommy can take them all
13
apart.
picks. You got 13 plus I don't know how many.
Alright, you gave me this.
Yeah, you did. Ethan, that green bag's here.
You got that double lap thing over there. I thought you'd
Watch this. Watch this.
like the wows he does.
Watch it.
Wow!
Oh my goodness.
There's a piece of paper on the front.
Why, thank you.
We're growing old, Allison. You need help?
First good thing today.
Maybe.
You get field of trees.
This is it.
Thank you,
Yep,
Forrest.
this
Thank you,
is-
Mama.
Daddy.
What?
Oh,
No, not right now. We gotta clean up. Clean
Yeah, we're
up.
done with that.
Uh-huh.
Purse.
You can see here, Eric, with that.
look at Mama. Mama.
Oh, that's so neat.
Do you like that, Allison?
Go pick up the paper and stuff.
Okay.
We tell Grandma and Grandpa. We tell them.
Here's one.
Let's see if
George, 44 vehicles. After today, they'll probably have 44 vehicles.
44.